In today's video, I'm going to teach you Cursor versus ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know which tool fits your work, how they complement each other, and how to get the best results with minimal friction. Let's start with purpose and main features. Cursor is built specifically for AI-assisted coding and software development. Think of it as an extra pair of hands right inside your coding environment, tuned for implementation details and navigation across a codebase. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a generalist. It supports coding, yes, but also writing, research, and a wide range of productivity tasks. Both use AI to speed up your workflow. The difference is whether your day centers on code or you need a broader companion for thinking, planning, and creating. On coding and development capabilities, Cursor shines because it integrates directly into the editor for real-time assistance. It can help you write new functions, refactor, and move through files with context from your project, all without leaving the IDE. It's optimized for developer workflows and project navigation, so routine coding tasks feel faster and more precise. ChatGPT excels at explaining code, debugging issues, and generating programming solutions. It's especially strong when you want conceptual clarity, step-by-step reasoning, or language-agnostic guidance. If you're learning a new framework, exploring patterns, or validating an approach, its conversational style helps you understand the why behind the what. When it comes to ease of use and productivity, Cursor gives you an ID-focused experience that keeps you in flow while building. It reduces context switching and helps automate repetitive coding chores. ChatGPT is more versatile across industries. It supports brainstorming, documentation, and technical explanations, which makes it handy for writing design docs, summarizing requirements, or drafting onboarding materials. Both tools can automate repetitive tasks, whether that's boilerplate code or routine writing, so you reclaim time for higher value work. So, which one is better? Choose Cursor if you want a dedicated AI partner for coding and development workflows, especially if you live inside an editor and maintain complex projects. Choose ChatGPT if you value versatility, creativity, and multi-purpose assistance that stretches from code to content and research. Many developers benefit from using both. Plan and clarify with ChatGPT, then implement and iterate with Cursor. Ultimately, the better option depends on your workflow complexity and goals. If your day is code-heavy, start with Cursor. If you juggle coding with writing, analysis, and communication, lean on ChatGPT. Try them side by side, keep prompts concise and context-rich, and let your results guide the balance that works best for you.